What do you think we're doing today?
I'm sorry, it's just like all your videos are always just like silent.
I know. We got these nice googly eyes and we're just gonna pop them in a balloon. This just happened. This is exploding everywhere. Oh my gosh.
So now I'm doing shaving cream. Try to get it like over the whole cap. I really hope this doesn't break. I feel like it'll break. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I can see it!
Ready? Let's go.
Oh my gosh, this is gonna be such a mess. Oh my gosh. Look at it, Aya. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at my pants.
Okay, give me another one. Oh no, I really don't want to do the shaving cream. I really don't.
Which one's the shaving cream? Wait, look how cool this is. Look how cool this is. Foaming soap. Gosh, this is gonna be so bad. Nothing got in there. My face. Such a bitch. Why do I have marker on? Good. Okay. Ooh. Pink.
Did it go and everywhere? Adding some activator because none of our balloon went in. This is what the slime looks like, but it is like, it has way too much shaving cream in it. It's like super fluffy, like too fluffy. this is what this slime turned out like. It's like a very jiggly slime. And I actually had to add more clear glue because it was like way too much water. And it turned into this really nice like purpley slime with like googly eyes, obviously. And I actually really like how it looks. But I have one more balloon to pop, and it is right here, and it is the glitter balloon. So let's go pop this. I think I'm gonna pop it inside the balloon. Oh, look at that. That was cool. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And don't forget to check out my Instagram because I posted a shorter video of this on there. And don't forget to check out my Etsy shop and my Let Go shop. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!